Hey guys, so I saw I didn't calculate the split information, so the gain ratio in the previous video, so I will link to the video, but I saw just the video was cut off, so I'll just explain this one real quick. So the split information is calculated in the following way, okay, and this is the gain ratio. So how we calculate it for example, for G2, how do we calculate the split information? So we do 4 divided by 6, because there is 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 6, divided, so here it's 4 divided by 6, times the natural log of 4 divided by 6, minus 2 divided by 6, which is 1 minus this one, and the natural log of 2 divided by 6. How did I know 2 divided by 6? 1, 2. We could just count the values. And then you just sum these values up and you get something that is approaching 0.9183. And now the gain ratio, which is this gain ratio, okay, of G2 is around the half. Okay, so for the mix up in the videos. Hope you like this one. Please subscribe. Until next time.